Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you need the application or the software that can help you not only to do the painting or do the photo editing or create the vector, however it can help you to create the animation at the same time? If yes, so you can start to take a consideration of Krita. Yes guys, in this video I'd like to share you how to use the Krita for free, and you can simply visit this krita.org like this, and don't worry, you don't need to do the login with your email or your name first. And you'll see this is the section that give you the introduction that this is the Krita, a professional free and open source painting program, and also this Krita is really accessible within your PC of the Windows operating system or Linux and even the Macintosh. And after that you can continue to click download, and since here I'm using the Windows laptop, so you can click this Windows installer, and after that this Krita or the master of this Krita will officially saved into your device. And after that you can start to click the show folder and start to do the installation. Don't worry, because this installation itself also quite simple, easy, and you don't need to put the, let's say, special code or the secret number. And after the installation process, usually the application or the shortcut will also show over here, and you can simply open it, and this Krita will officially ready to use. And if you'd like to try to work with it, then you can click file and click new, and you'll see this is the image size or the blank page size that as your working, let's say, the working paper. And you can also adjust the size from the A1 until the US tabloid, and you can also choose the orientation, let's say to be the landscape or portrait, and you can also adjust your version of the width and also the height and also the pixel or millimeter, which one do you prefer. And for example, you can continue to click create over here, and after that this will be the section to do your work. And for the first user or the first timer, so there will be no the animation timeline curves over here. However, don't worry, because you can pop this up by clicking this window and the workspace and click this animation like this. And if you see the brush preset on the right side and it's gone, don't worry, you can keep also merging it by click this setting and click Docker. And for example, I will choose the brush presets over here, and you can also add something into it, let's say the advanced color selector like this. So you can start to create the animation or also do the, let's say, photo editing, or if you would like to, let's say, remove something in the picture. And for example, if you would like to create your very first animation, you can start to learn about the keyframe over here. This kind of the keyframe, if you learn about the create the animation in the CapCut or Micromedia, and this will be the section. And after that you can also start to, let's say I will start create the circle using this brush style. For example, I will choose this one, and for example I will choose this one and drag it. You'll see this is the circle we have, and you can also adjust the position by click this transform and click it. There you go. This will be the object that we can move wherever we want. And after that you can also put your first keyframe to create the motion. For example, give it the right click and create blank frame. And for example, I want that this circle move to this side. So I will start to put this section, or I will click this and give it the right click. And I will copy create blank frame. And you will see that the circle is now gone. Don't worry, if you would like to use the same circle, you can go back to this 0 keyframe, give it the right click, copy, and paste it into the second of 6 and paste 6 like this. And after that, you can go back to this transform a layer or selection, click it, and after that I will move it here like this. And after that, I will copy this keyframe and I will paste it into this 12, paste it, and after that click this again and I will move it here like this. And after that, I will put it into the 18. I will copy it and paste it here, paste keyframe, and you can start to press your shift in your keyboard and click the left align. Or you can also play it from by clicking this 0 and play it, and this will be the motion. And you can also finish it. Let's say I will copy this keyframe, give it the right click, copy, and paste it over here. And I will change this location or this object to here and copy it again and paste it over here, and I will move it here like this. And after that, you can start to play it from the beginning. So this will be the first animation that you can use or create by this Krita. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.